Ever wondered what heart health is and why it's so crucial to your overall well-being? Well, let's delve into it. Heart health is not just about the heart, it's about the entire cardiovascular system working in harmony. Picture your heart as an engine, pumping blood around your body, delivering vital nutrients and oxygen to your cells. But what happens when this engine isn't running smoothly? An unhealthy heart can lead to a host of problems, from fatigue and shortness of breath to severe conditions like heart disease and stroke. A poorly maintained heart affects not just your physical well-being, but your mental state and quality of life too. So how can we keep this engine in top condition? The answer lies in our lifestyle choices, particularly our diets. Yes, what we eat has a profound impact on our heart health. And now that you've understood the significance of heart health, you might be wondering, how does one ensure a healthy heart? Ever thought about the connection between what you eat and how it impacts your heart? Fade in from a black screen to a close-up of a heart illustration. Well, it's time to give it some thought. You see, the food you consume, cut to a variety of colorful, healthy foods, plays a pivotal role in maintaining heart health. Imagine your heart, cross-dissolved transition to a heart working tirelessly, symbolizing the tireless engine. That tireless engine fueling your every move. Now consider what happens when you feed it with foods loaded with saturated fats, cholesterol, and sugar. Swipe transition from healthy food to unhealthy food. It's like pouring sand in an engine, not a pretty picture, right? On the flip side, flip transition to a stock footage of heart-healthy foods. Heart-healthy foods can significantly improve your heart's performance. We're talking about fruits and vegetables packed with vitamins and antioxidants, whole grains with their abundance of fiber and lean proteins which help build and repair heart tissue. These food choices are akin to premium fuel for your heart engine. Fade transition to a heart engine running smoothly, keeping it running smoothly and efficiently. It's clear that making wise food choices can have a significant impact on your heart health. But how can you incorporate these heart-healthy foods into your daily routine? Final slide transition with the text incorporating heart-healthy foods. Ever considered making small changes to your diet for the sake of your heart? It's never too late to start, and the benefits can be profound. Let's explore some practical tips on incorporating heart-healthy foods into your everyday meals. Firstly, consider swapping out those refined grains for whole ones. Whole grains like oatmeal, brown rice, and whole wheat bread are a great source of fiber and can help lower your risk of heart disease. Next, lean proteins should be your go-to over fatty cuts of meat. Think grilled chicken, fish, or plant-based proteins like beans and lentils. These choices are not only tasty, but also full of heart-healthy nutrients. Cooking at home more often allows you to control what goes into your food and how much you eat. Remember, portion control is key. Remember, every little change can make a big difference. It's time to take control of your diet and give your heart the care it deserves.